As a surgeon, light is extremely important to the operation. But because of the sterile field, I can't just move the light mid-surgery. So that has led me to resort to moving my body in weird angles. And so we created a automated surgery light that follows my head to point the light to where I'm looking at. And so this maintains the sterility and also optimizes ergonomics for me.
All right, so here's how our light works. So as you can see, we have a user interface. The first step is connecting either to USB or Bluetooth. So as you can see, our light can be fully operated wirelessly via Bluetooth, which requires no wires, which means that the surgery will happen with a lot more sterility. All right, so here's how our back end works. So when you show the view, this is what our webcam right now is seeing. And actually what's going on is MediaPipe is mapping a bunch of dots on the person's face in order to estimate a gaze vector, and also to find the pan, the tilt, and the roll of the person's face. So as you can see, this dot right here shows you what the person's face is doing and estimates the gaze vector. All right, so first we're gonna show you manual control. So, as you can see, we can control the light by turning it different colors. We have red, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, yellow, purple, pink. We have everything. And you might be wondering, what does this have to do with surgery? Well, surgeons often need different lights in order to view different types of tissues. So we want our surgical light to be able to switch colors so that the surgeon can have the optimal lighting form. All right, so first we're gonna show you the manual control. So as you can see, we can manually pan and tilt the pan and tilt servos using these controls right here on our interface. And I'm just gonna show you the hardware real quick. So we used an Arduino Nano 33 BLE to get wireless info. The only reason it's plugged into a wire right now is because it needs power. And that's what all these other wires are too. Just a lot of different power sources, because the LEDs use a different voltage and the servos use a different voltage. And this Arduino right here is just a slave, and this is the master. We use a master slave system to control the LED because the LED does not take 3.3 volt logic. Okay, so here's the cool part. So when we turn it to auto mode, it will start mapping the gaze vector from Andrew's face in order to estimate where the light must be in order to shine where he is looking, using a lot of different math, inverse trig, matrices, all that type of stuff. So here we go. As you can see, as Andrew looks down, the light points to where he is looking. And as he looks from right to left, the light is also moving along with his face, looking at exactly where he is operating.